couldn't get a grip.
Yeah, it's clean. Buddy who used to leave it in jail.
Me chewing on your shoulder. Talking about mine?
That's the first time I ever see it that dirty. First and last. You never see it that muddy again.
Bye. Thank y'all for coming.
See, you will be around here.
I'm sure we'll see Jesus around.
Thank you. Be harder on us than
Yeah.
you probably.
Yeah.
I don't know. He's gonna come back in 6 months and have a volleyball named Wilson. He's gonna say, "I'm gonna have a volleyball named Wilson."
What is that? Don't even.
Yeah. Thank y'all. Alan, hey, be careful, man. It's rained more since I got here, so the puddles I went around earlier, now there's more of them.
Made it out with their beetle.
Yeah.
You'll be stuck right there.
I will, probably.
Yeah. Got the fold up one stuck.
Hey guys, I want to cut in here real quick and say that next day, my friend actually headed off to the U.S. Navy, where he'll be gone for about 6 or 7 months, and that's why we had a last-minute get-together send-off party. I haven't been able to do any other videos lately. I kind of pieced this one together. I've been feeling under the weather this past week, so bear with me. I have a lot of stuff going on at the shop. I have a couple of videos in the making that are really important pieces to what's going on, what the status of the shop is. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, like the video, drop a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your friends. It helps the channel tremendously. We're at about 175 subscribers right now, which is great. That's more than I ever thought I would get. Honestly, I can't believe that 175 people are actually subscribed and actually tune into what I'm doing. But hopefully, guys, the next video will be a little bit more in tune with what I've been posting and a little bit more of an update of what's going on at the shop. Thank you for sticking around for the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Later.